when I do this, just know that there's no effect that is going to show. If there is, then that is just like a pop effect, like a weak effect, like nobody uses that effect. But yeah, I'm also looking on buying an iPhone, gents. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy A0 right now. Just think. Just think the quality. If the quality is like this right now, just think with an iPhone. Hmm? Hmm? Hey, but hey, the price. Yeah, iPhone. Hey, yeah, iPhone. While other content creators are having iPhone 17. Oh, aye, baba. The price of an iPhone. Aye. But yeah, chance. Hey, you all know. Hey,